Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to use coupons on PandaBuy. It's not something difficult, just some simple steps that I'm going to share with you today in this video, and you're going to be able to use coupons on PandaBuy. Alright, so the first thing that you need to do is to go to PandaBuy and create your account if you don't have it, but if you have an account, log in. Then click on profile and then click on user center. And after, click on wallet and go to coupon, and you will find a box where you can redeem your coupon code, which usually work as reducing shipping costs. And after redeeming coupon, you will need to select your coupon while paying your order on PandaBuy. So these are the only steps that you will need in order to use coupons on PandaBuy. Okay, so as I told you, it's not something complicated or it's going to take you a long time, just few seconds or maybe 1 minute to 2 max, and you're going to be able to use coupons on PandaBuy. So this was the video, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any video I post in future, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.